Humidity is basically water vapor present in the atmosphere. It is also some kind of energy which actually is responsible for creating lot of disturbances in the atmospheres like tropical cyclone. We will see later on exactly how this latent heat of evaporation is responsible for creating a lot of disturbances in the atmosphere, but here we are going to talk about how this humidity can be measured. So this humidity can be measured in three different manners. The first way of measuring humidity is absolute humidity. Absolute humidity. Absolute humidity means the how much gram water vapor is present in 1 cubic meter of air. If you take 1 cubic meter of air, suppose this is how you take 1 cubic 1 cubic meter of air. If you see this is also one, this is also one. If you take 1 cubic meter of air, then how much grams water vapor is present in this 1 cubic meter air is known as absolute humidity. So the absolute humidity is measured in terms of how much gram of water vapor is present in a 1 cubic meter air. Then the second way of measuring is specific humidity. Specific humidity. Specific humidity can be measured in terms of gram per kilogram. If you take 1 kg of air, 1 kg of air, then how much gram of water vapor is present in this 1 kg of air? It is known as specific humidity. But these two, when we talk about climatology, you will find that hardly this humidity, this kind of measurement is important from the perspective of studying the climatic phenomena. The most important way of measuring this humidity, which is also important from the perspective of knowing the climatic phenomena, like how the air can get saturated or how the precipitation takes place. This is known as relative humidity. Relative humidity. Relative humidity you can understand with the help of one example. Basically, this is a one type of ratio between how much amount of water vapor can be held by a air particle at a particular temperature and how much exactly it has. So, for example, you can understand, like suppose this is an air parcel and at a 10 degrees centigrade of temperature, because the holding capacity of any air depends upon the temperature. The higher the temperature, the more humidity it can hold. So suppose if this air parcel at a 10 degrees centigrade can hold 50 grams of water vapor. So its capacity to hold the water vapor at a 10 degrees centigrade is a 50 grams. But in reality, actually it has only how much? 25 grams. So its relative humidity will be 50%. Its relative humidity will be 50% because at a 10 degrees centigrade it has a capacity to hold 50 grams, but actually it has only 25 grams. That's why its relative humidity will be 25 grams. If it suppose it's in reality it had a 50 grams, then its relative humidity would have been 100%. Now you can understand this is how exactly relative humidity is measured.